Yes, guys, good morning, good evening, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. And today I would like to update about the Palantir technology. So, guys, we know Palantir has been trading upside since last year, or I can call 2023, or early 2023, or late 2022. And today we are going to see comparing Palantir with Nvidia. Yeah, with Nvidia, because that is because I see Palantir here is one of the best stock, and by 2027 2026 this thing will have another 0 year, will be $300. And I will show you why Palantir is a growing stock. Yeah, it's just every month, every month, maybe some weeks we can see this week up, this week down, but generally when you put every month, you will see every month is increasing by 5% or 10%, like it's a growing stock. So right now let's start by highlighting here. You see the stock in this week is less than 5% or less than 2% in past 5 days. In 1 month you see is +3. So that's why I say every month you will see this stock is growing. And let's see in last 6 months. In last 6 months you see is 16% is a growing stock. Year to date you see is already 82%. Guys, you see this is a growing stock. And 1 year you see is 100%. That's why I'm telling you, Palantir is another thing that you guys you must watch. And if you don't have any Palantir, you are not late. You should load, because this thing is growing every day, every week, every month. Like every time you see this dip, this is the first. Let's say start from here, and this was September 2023. It was trading at $14. You should buy at this dip. It went all the way to 17. It dropped to $14. We make another double bottom, and then you should buy. It reached all time. It reached high on 2023 November, and it was 20, and it went another sideways here, and you should buy all this year, and then hit another 16, which is came to test it. Like it has some uptrend here, and then he push all the way to $24, and then he makes something like double top here, and then he drop to $20. Every time it's come to test the top, and then here okay we trend around 21, and then we know that recently hit $28, and then it dipped to around, it say 20 something dollars, but we remember very well it came to around $19, and then he pushed it immediately, and we saw recently hitting all time high here, which is was around $33, and then now it's on sideways. So guys, that's why I say you should think twice, like not even twice. You can start now buying every week or every day, like $1, $2, and because it's a growing store, you should put something like this here. So yeah, so you can push it like it's, especially like this September, we know market is volatile. We saw Nvidia coming 4% this week, Tesla 8%. Remember, it's only on Friday. And right now, if you want to open to see how the market cap, how the P ratio, also market cap is 67,000, P ratio is 178, which is sometimes will keep thinking that is of value. So whenever you see anything above 25 on P ratio is of value. So do you think is of value? So another news here, we saw Nvidia. I think Nvidia listed on I don't know, I don't see that yeah, this is a news here. Palantir and the daily to join SP500. So this is the big news, and let's see that news before so I'll go to spend some few hours, or not hours, or some minutes explain all of this. So Palantir daily, I didn't know daily is not listed, so were listed. So that thing has already hit. So but we know it's they already listed on they are going to they join SPY 500. And let's see the financial. Or this quarter we saw revenue increases 66,678.13 million, and that percent year to year, which is increasing by 27%. And when you see net income is 1, when you subtract the like income is always like profit, so they make profit 134 million, and that was increased to 376 as you guys, and the diluted EP, which is 0.06, which is up to 500%. And then you see the net profit, which is 19%. When you see this one, guys, this is 19%. And that's the part of financial. And right now before I'll go, let me see if I can bring, yeah, when you compare this one, guys, let's bring that thing, this yeah, down here. So when you compare this one, especially let's use Nvidia today, because Nvidia has been killing it. So let's see Nvidia versus, so this is a 3 months chart, and yeah, 3 months chart. When you see the 3 months here, guys, the blue line here is Nvidia. You see Nvidia, no Palantir. When in the last 3 months here, you see Palantir was down here, but once on July 21st, this when Palantir break out, and then it teach Nvidia lesson. You see the Nvidia is pointed downside, but now see Palantir is already beaten Nvidia. And another thing, when you see in the 6 months chart now, you see Palantir still it was down here. DB at this when the time was going to buy, and here this, as today we are making this video, Palantir is going to break out versus. So guys, when you compare dollar versus any stock or anything, Palantir breakout is coming. So guys, don't subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we are going to see this one in next 1 month. So today is September, so we are going to come here October to compare again. And the year to date, this is telling you Nvidia is going down and Palantir is holding very strong year to date. So 1 year, so here you see like Nvidia is still coming down, but in next few months Palantir is going to beat Nvidia according to me. And we want to add another stock here. We want to compare with another stock. Not even, I will not compare with the Tesla right now. Let's use Apple. So you can use the big stack. So here right now, last 3 months, obvious Palantir is better than Apple. We know, guys, Apple was already very strong, but here Apple look on 6 months, Apple is still above Nvidia. Year to date, Nvidia beat Apple like nothing. You see, it's very strong. All of them is very strong. Year to date, 5 years. You see, guys, like when you compare Palantir and Apple, you see the fastest car here is Palantir. So which another one, guys, we want to compare here? No, that's correct. I would like to see AI. You remember C3 AI? Yeah, guys, so C3 AI crashed some few days. It's down here, and it's trading around $20 something or $19 right now, if I can remember. But when you see all of this one, I think the main some back days around here we have been watching C3 AI and the Palantir, and by now Palantir emerges as a strong stock, and yeah, exactly, Meta. I want to compare with the Meta. So as right now, 3 months, Palantir is working better than Meta. So guys, I'm trying to give you something you can buy, which is a growing stock, the fast growing stock. Here, on this August 5, this when Palantir take on charge. He tried over here and then they rejected, and then he tried again here. They break it, and then it came below, and then he break above Meta. So from here, guys, this thing, remember, Meta has been growing very fast also. This is the two of things, guys, which is growing. If you don't have money to buy Facebook or Meta, you should think about Palantir. And the final one, which I would like to comparing today, I want to compare with the Tesla now, because I'm now starting buying Tesla. So you see, in the last 3 months here, guys, Tesla has been beating Palantir. But this week or this month, Tesla break downside. Tesla, guys, this is two stock now you should think about now, because robotic is coming right now, like a Tesla robotic. So like you cannot drive Tesla. You remember everything, guys. I will not go to teach you what's going to happen. So these are the two stocks which is going together, Tesla and Palantir. So these are the two stocks which I'm going to watch, because even though here like the winner is always a Palantir, but you see Tesla, yeah, Palantir is always a winner. It's a best growing stock, and even since 2020, before Corona, Palantir has been beating Tesla. Here he beaten Tesla very well, and then 2022, when everything was crashing, he crashed all of them. But Palantir, because he performed very well here, it was the first one to crash hard, and finally he break out this 2024. And you see, guys, difference. There is a big gap over here. So today we are going to see the charts on a daily candles here, and you will see very well. It is the technically now. Palantir signal sell. Remember the other time signal sell here, and when you see on daily signaling around $29, and this thing came all the way to 25, even not 25. It came to 21 or $19 that I told you, and it hit 200 moving average, and then earnings came. We know every earnings these things will take off. After that earnings is taking another, we have something already creating like a downtrend over here, and you see this one, guys. So we have this one, and very soon this thing is going to break out, and according to my technicals, by September 24th, on early October, remember this one will be volatile, and it's going to take off. The real support which you are watching, this one, if you break this one, remember, guys, I was drawing the resistance. So you see this stock resistance was around this area, and it's coming tested, and is tested and tested on Friday, and maybe we'll consolidate before breaking out, and that's another thing. And let's go here. I was trying to see another video on Palantir here. Let's see the video. I will play a random video. Why Palantir can skyrocket 2024. So this one, guys, came on January. So let me see something. Will Palantir stock? So for example, like this one, I don't know, but I would like to play any random video.
Do you know what's really fun? Making a website on with Hey, we're How Ridiculous, three childhood friends and digital content creators that do epic stuff from Perth, Australia. We've got about 50 million followers. We're in the billions of views, and we're a small team. We always felt like our content was all about entertainment and being fun, but there was also this, sort of professional.
Hey everyone, Palantir stock is interesting some investors as the price has dipped a little bit in recent weeks. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I made a video answering where I thought Palantir stock could be at the end of 2024. In this video, I'm going to answer where I think Palantir stock price could be at the end of 2025. Now, also, I've recently upgraded Palantir stock to a buy. In my rankings, I've recently upgraded it because of the dip in valuation. So let's see where I think Palantir stock could end up in 2025. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now. Alright, to make this estimate, I'm going to need some numbers. I'm going to need to get some numbers from Palantir. First, I need the current Palantir stock price, which is at $17.62 right now. Additionally, I need to see Palantir's valuation according to its price to earnings ratio. Right now it's trading at a price to earnings ratio of 293. But remember, this has been the first year in Palantir's history that it's delivered earnings per share profitability or positive on the bottom line for a full year. Now we're going to know that when it completes its full year 2023, when it reports fourth quarter earnings results, which it hasn't done yet. But I suspect this price to earnings ratio will decrease as the company continues increasing its earnings per share and delivering a couple of years of profitability.
So guys, I don't know, I suppose this one to play, but
a price to earnings ratio of 293 is way above the average. The average S&P 500 price to earnings ratio is between 18 and 19. So you can imagine 293 is way above that range. It's just temporarily this high. Also, I need Palantir's earnings per share estimate for 2025, and that's this number here. 35 cents is what analysts believe Palantir will deliver in earnings per share for fiscal year 2025. Now, this is from a consensus of Wall Street analysts that are following Palantir stock. They've all provided their forecasts for where they think Palantir's earnings per share will end up in 2025. And this 35-cent figure is a consensus, an average from all of the analysts that follow Palantir stock. So now that we've pulled together some of those numbers, let's look at where the stock price could be in 2025. So what I have here is the valuation model where I plugged in the 35-cent earnings per share.
So guys, I will not go to play all of this one. So you should look that guy, and I think it's working with the motel advisory. So you can go to watch all of that factors. So it's telling about all of this, how the P ratio working, what's the next target.
Nathan's clients are so happy with the benefits packages he proposed. He's getting minimal questions and
regarding the artificial intelligence, car technology, recommender systems, and more. The companies that stand to benefit from the growth in
so guys, about this structure is a period. So this is telling how they are expecting earnings. Remember for Nvidia, it did like this one, and we are now right now at 2024 at down here. Remember guys, this thing, if this earning will be projected and the code hit like this, remember right now the revenue, this the $1 million on a market size right now under 250, and they are targeting 250,000, and they are targeting more than 1.7 million, which is, guys, if you do it mathematically, you will see how many x you can put. 1,075,000. Let's use calculator here. Calculator. Calculate to see what's the maths calculator. So we are going to 750 million. 1 2 divide by 250,000. No, delete this one. How can I delete this one? With 250 million thousand 200 and this one, so will be 7x, guys. So 7x right now on this area, you can put here 7x, and that will be 210 and above. So that's where we are expecting this thing by 2030 to hit more than 400. It's very easy, guys. So when you see this projection here, by 2025 this stock will double to $60, and then here will be around 85. Here will be times 120. You see, 100 and like that and like that. So thanks so much, guys, and let's hear.
In this AI surge is companies like Amazon, Nvidia, Alphabet, Microsoft, and more. Investors getting in today could realize exponential returns from investments that capitalize on the growing effectiveness of artificial intelligence. So now that you've got an understanding of where this AI market could go over the next several years, you can understand why Palantir's prospects as one of the leading AI companies in the world are so strong. So all that being said, I think Palantir's stock price between $25 and $27 per share by the end of 2025. But I'd be curious to hear what you think Palantir's stock price will be by the end of 2025 and where you think that valuation will come from, whether it be higher earnings per share or higher price to earnings multiples. Thank you for watching this video.
So guys, I think next I'll go to deal with the daily stock. So which is, guys, it's just work like Microsoft, but you see daily is going to signaling sell, and actually daily has not been doing well. When you see on MACD here, it's less than it's already below 200 moving average, and that's bearish. We saw the time was below 200 moving average here. It came all the way to 85, and probably now is coming around 85 very soon, or below 85. I'll go to do all of these technicals and why daily didn't skyrocket, and why daily on monthly, on weekly also. You see, after hitting $180, it's already, there is a strong sale, guys. These things, whenever I show something, guys, you see this thing, it tell you before that this thing is going to come down. It's signaling when around 130. In fact, if you have been going to buy your put right now, you will be printing a lot of puts, printing a lot of the money like long put on daily. Even Palantir right now we are talking this breakout, so we know the one weekly is very strong. It's signaling pie. You see my charts here, guys. I did a lot of videos, and I was telling long view and long and short. So right now on weekly is very bullish. Daily we have some correction, and remember this one, guys, like this week, by next week this thing's already moving upside. So thank you so much, and have a nice day. If you want to the last here, you should put me a like or a comment that you finished to watch this video. Thanks so much, and have a nice day.